The Pot of Fortune. In the small western town of Meadow Creek, nestled between sprawling plains and rugged mountains, lived an elderly widow named Martha Jane. Her husband had passed away many years ago, leaving her with a modest cabin and a quiet life. The couple had no children or close relatives, so Martha lived alone, relying on her resilient spirit and the support of her kind-hearted neighbors. Despite her solitude, she found joy in helping others and sharing in the camaraderie of the small community. One brisk autumn morning, Martha decided to head into the nearby forest to gather firewood for her stove. The nights were growing colder, and her old cabin needed warmth to keep the chill at bay. Wrapping herself in her worn shawl, she grabbed her hatchet and wheelbarrow and set off into the woods. As she wandered through the serene forest, her sharp eyes caught a glint of something unusual near the base of an ancient oak tree. Curious, she knelt down and brushed away the dirt to uncover what appeared to be a large, old iron pot. Its lid was tightly sealed, and the metal was weathered but sturdy. With a bit of effort and her handy crowbar, Martha pried the lid open. Her eyes widened in astonishment. Inside the pot were glittering gold coins, more wealth than she had ever seen in her life. Martha's heart raced as she imagined the possibilities. She thought of buying a fine new house with a grand fireplace and elegant furnishings. She saw herself living out her days in comfort and luxury, free from the struggles of daily life. But as she lingered over her thoughts, another realization dawned on her. She looked around at the peaceful forest and thought of her small but cozy home, the warm meals she shared with neighbors, and the satisfaction she found in living simply. "I've already had a good, humble life," she whispered to herself. "I don't need all this gold to be happy." However, the weight of the pot made it impossible for her to take the entire treasure home. Martha resolved to carry only a handful of coins back with her. As she held the shimmering coins in her hands, she made herself a solemn promise. "Not a single coin will be spent on my comfort. I'll use this gold to help others in the community, those who truly need it." Back in Meadow Creek, Martha began her mission in secret. She took and sold one gold coin at a time, ensuring that no one became suspicious. With the money, she built homes for the homeless, repaired the church's crumbling walls, and even funded the construction of a small school and clinic. Each project brought new hope to the community, and though the townsfolk were curious about how Martha could afford such generosity, they assumed she was using her late husband's retirement and insurance money. "Martha Jane has always been selfless," the townsfolk would say. "It's no surprise she'd spend her savings to help us all." The community adored her, rallying around her efforts and doing what they could to support her initiatives. They baked her bread, brought her firewood, and repaired her cabin when it needed a new roof. But Martha never revealed the truth about the gold coins, knowing that the treasure would only distract or tempt others. Over the years, the small town of Meadow Creek transformed. The school brought education to the children, the clinic saved lives, and the sturdy new homes gave many families shelter. Though Martha's own life remained simple, she found a profound sense of fulfillment in the joy and gratitude of those she had helped. One evening, as Martha sat by her fireplace, wrapped in her favorite quilt, she reflected on the journey that had started with that iron pot. Her life had been filled with purpose, and she felt richer than she ever could have imagined, not with gold, but with the love and kindness of her community. Martha Jane passed away many years later, leaving behind a legacy of compassion and selflessness. Though the secret of the gold pot went with her to the grave, the impact of her generosity lived on in the thriving town of Meadow Creek. The people often spoke of her with admiration, saying, "Martha Jane showed us all that true wealth is in the good we do for others." And that's the end of the story. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching.